friend. Good morning, girl. Today is the day that I get my sofa in, and I am super excited because baby. But anyways, I got a lot going on in the house, so don't pay it no mind. If you see something, keep it to yourself, okay? Because I don't need to know about it. I got a haul that I need to go over with y'all. Among some other things that we probably need to talk about. But anyways, y'all, the sofa, it's on its way. And Lord, am I happy. I gotta get, well, this is fine. This is fine, because I'm gonna do all that myself. But I am also, I don't know how these videos are gonna go, but I am also in the process of messing around, messing around with, I definitely didn't want to bring them blinds all the way up like that. I am messing around in my bedroom as well. So I have a couple of projects going on in my bedroom. But my main focus today is getting my sofa. I like these blinds a certain way. So let's prepare to get my sofa in. So I'll see you guys later. Finally here, you guys. I'm super happy. But that's all you're gonna see.
In the dark, on a road, with all familiar feelings, I know I hear a song, but it ain't so clear. No. And when it rains, it falls hard, and there's a weight I've carried so far. But will we fly, or will I fall here? You are the answer, you are that real love. I throw my hands up, I throw my hands up. I give it all to you, I give it all to you, God. I give it all to you, 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 God. Give it all to you, I give it all to you. Give it all to you. Yeah. Every hope, every plan, every dream that I've ever had, every prize and treasure I found. Yeah. Every light, every smile, every tear of joy that I've cried, without you it means nothing at all. Yeah. Give it all to you, give it all to you, God. I give it all to you, I give it all to you, I give it all to you, give it all to you, God. I give it all to you, I give it all to you. You are the answer, you are that real love. I throw my hands up, You are the answer. You are the real love. I throw my hands up. Give it all to you. Yeah. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all. Give it all to you. 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 Give it all. Give it all to you. Give it all. Give it all to you. Yeah. Give it all to you. You are the answer. You are that real love. I throw my hands up.
Y'all, I went through all of this to be disappointed. I'm not understanding. Y'all remember I told y'all that the sofa wasn't in stock. I'm sorry, not only was it wasn't in stock, but they didn't have the sofa out to where I can actually see it. But we did like measurements, we did height. I even went from having a 6-seater to having a 5-seater so I can get something smaller. But this sofa is so big and so bulky. Now, don't get me wrong, it's really good quality. Everything about the sofa I love, except that it's just too big for this space. Because look at this. So I am really not happy, super discouraged. I even stopped getting everything put together just to see if I would like it in the space. The only thing that I'm thinking is that I can get the sofa pulled up some more, maybe to maybe right here. But if I do that, the more I come over this way, let me put you on a tripod. Okay, so the more I come over this way, because I can come over a little bit more this way, but the more I come this way, I'm covering up the fireplace and I'm really running into the credenza. So after all the measurements, everything that I did, I still didn't get the proper scale that I wanted, because I definitely, and I'm so super discouraged. You guys never hear me like this, because I knew that I needed to see the sofa in person. I knew I needed to see it in person. But even if I would have seen the sofa in person, I probably wouldn't have felt like it was too big. I probably still wouldn't have felt like it was too big, because I felt like the sofa that I did have was too big. And I've been messing with it. We didn't even put the legs on it. The legs are not on the sofa, so when Handsome Face come home, we can put the legs on it. But the legs on the sofa just makes it a little bit higher, and I'm not worrying about the height. I'm not worrying about the height. I'm really worried about everything about this sofa is nice. I like the quality. Like these, even this pillow here is it's heavy, it's feather filled. These are so nice. Everything about this sofa is nice. The quality of this sofa is nice, and I got it on a really good deal. But it's a little bit too big for the space. I don't know what to do, and I'm trying to I don't know. They had more pillows than this. I took some of the pillows off, which were nice, but you know, I don't like all that all on the pillows. So I'm really trying to figure out what I'm gonna do, and I really don't even know what I'm gonna do. I really don't even know. I really don't even know. I just feel like I don't have enough room here. I still have about the same room that I had earlier before the other sofa, but that's what I was trying to get away from. I was trying to get away from all of the congestion. And then, y'all, the real big thing that got me just, my Christmas trees. I just don't know what to do. I really just feel like taking this and sending this back. Oh, I just feel like sending this back. I don't know what to do. And I'm honestly thinking about bringing this over some. But if I bring it over some, I'm only like a little bit from the fireplace. And I don't want to be up on the fireplace like that. Because I can come over a little bit more. And if I, like I said, if I come over this way, I'm taking a chance of getting closer to this. Now what I can do is, if I move this big credenza and go with a smaller scale credenza, that may work. I don't really know. But it's not giving me that, it's not giving me what I wanted. And y'all know how I am. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. We didn't even put the legs on it. Because I just was like, wait a minute here. I don't know. I'm not playing around with stuff. And I am trying to keep in consideration that this is, you know, my family room, and I do want it cozy and comfortable, and it does feel cozy, but it's not giving me the space that I wanted. And that's what I'm unhappy about. And I know, honestly, that this could take some getting used to. It could take some getting used to. But meanwhile, I was crying. 'Cause I'm just like, I waited almost a year to get the sectional that I wanted. I just feel like it's just too big. I'm sitting up here and I'm really trying to figure out what I can do. I like how comfortable this sofa is. I really love that. I love it because it's super comfortable. I definitely don't like this rug no more with it. I don't know why I don't like it, but I just don't like it. I like the pillows. I like all the pillows. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to figure something out. I don't know what it is to figure out. Ain't nothing I can figure out. Send it back and get what? This is the smallest this sofa come, and this sofa was 4-seater. They don't have a 3-seater. No, this is a 5-seater. They don't have a 4-seater. Because if they had a 4-seater, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will cut that part off, which will be good. But they don't have a 4-seater because this is a 5-seater, and I had a 6-seater, and that's why I was like, I got a 6-seater. But now that I'm thinking about it, the seats wasn't this wide. These seats is like this wide. My other sofa seat was like that wide. I don't know. But when we did the measurements, this sofa was smaller than the sofa I had. So I don't understand. But the thing is, like I keep saying, even if I would have seen this sofa with my own eyes in the store, I still probably would have gotten it, because the measurements of this sofa is smaller than the sofa that my other sofa. I don't know. Just let me let this marinate. Because the woulda, coulda, shouldas and all of that stuff is just, it don't even make sense for me to keep beating myself up. I just need to figure out something. But that's the thing. I don't know what. And then I'm so irritated that my Christmas look, I can't do that look no more. That's what's got me more than anything. Man. Oh, and y'all know how I feel about my Christmas. Y'all know how I feel about my Christmas. Y'all help me out. Leave me some comments down in the description box. Leave me some suggestions, because your girl is stuck. I ain't lying, I am stuck. I've been waiting almost a year, over a year, to be honest with you, to get a new sectional. And now that I got it, I am just, I'm over it. But I ain't gonna tell y'all a word of a lie. The best part, this sofa is super comfortable and it is beautiful. This sofa actually check off all of the boxes for me, as far as the colors, the look, the feel, the pillows. Like, this is just so pretty. Just everything about, I love this color. Just everything about the sofas I love. Except that it's a little bit too big. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right, y'all. Bye.